I figured I would show changing the oil in this car for the first time, and with the engine for the first time since the re-ring, new valves and stuff. That is old Quaker state is all that's in this. So had right at 200 miles on it. You got to keep in mind also that yeah, I cleaned the engine, but I didn't hot tank it, so it's going to leach out a lot of carbon and stuff that's in the oil passages and everything else. So I'm using an oil filter that's old enough that it still shows getting poured out of a can, and 5 quarts of Quaker State. They're all 20W20. Seems to be about like a 2050. Alright, I'm going to put the oil filter on it and then I'll show you this a little bit more. So I realized if I don't show you opening at least one of these, there's going to be confusion. I've been running this oil for 3 years in this engine and the 70s engine. It's fine. It doesn't sludge the motor up. If you change the oil when you're supposed to, it's totally fine. It's no different than any other oil. Because I don't care what you run. If you don't change the oil, it will sludge up.